another video in the Roblox game. Alright, so we're in Welcome to Boxburg. Oh, and we found a cafe right here. I literally found a cafe right here. Oh, it's a build mode. It's called Grey Rose Cafe. It even says it right there. So what I'm gonna do is they have a pool. I found out. Oh, Airdoodles is chasing me. Okay, they have a pool right now. I'm gonna go in there secretly. Leave. Well, I gotta leave. I'll come in the daytime. Or somewhere in the nighttime. It's like 3 a.m. now. Alright, so we're just heading back to my house. I'm gonna respawn my skateboard. This is like my house so far. Sorry guys, but I don't have a house. I'm trying to build one right now. Airdoodles, I promise. I don't want anybody to notice me on this. This is gonna be so. No! She's still here. Okay. Into Pizza Planet, so I can hide. I'm not actually gonna work on Pizza Planet, but yeah, just gonna go there until they. She's stalking me. She's literally stalking me. She's running. She's coming after me. She's coming after me. I better run. Okay, I'm gonna pretend that I'm working here, and I'm actually not. Okay, I'm gonna have to go through here. Okay, so far so good. She's not noticing us. Okay, maybe I should be gone for a while and come back on Bloxiacris. Yeah. It's on Bloxiacris and for kid. Is it? I think it's ABC. Alright, so I bet they're not looking at me anymore. I think that's Airdoodles right there. She's literally right there. Do right now? Wait, get out of my way! Okay, there's a cafe right now. Oh, it's in build mode. And Airdoodles is waiting. I know it. We're just gonna go to my plot right now, and I'm going. Okay, there they are. There's Airdoodles. I wish the tree was bigger so I could hide. Oh my God, I think she knows me. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is they have a pool right in the back here, and I'm gonna go hide it. Oh, I hope Airdoodles is not watching me. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is this is the pool right here. It's so small. It's not. They said it was modern. Alone. I'm going. Don't leave me alone. Leave me alone. Okay, I'm gonna. Rick. I'm recording. I'm literally recording right now. I'm recording. I don't think she wants to know. Whatever. I'll just ignore the chat. I'll ignore the chat. There we go. Okay. Airdoodles is still there. You know what? If I give her, I have a bunch of money here. I got like 211K. I worked so hard. Alright. I hope she doesn't notice me right now. And I'm still a guest in their house, by the way. I'm trying not to be mean. Okay, so look, I can literally not guest. Literally not guest. Okay, Airdoodles is back. You're not coming. You're not gonna get me. Wait. You might be thinking about this place. Kind of like you might think it's an airport. That building is pretty useless to us. Everyone in Boxburg thinks this is useless. This is taking a sharp turn. I'm shaking right now. They better not notice me in their pool. Super kind people and delicious food. Okay, they went inside right now. So I'm gonna like go underwater in their pool, and if they can't see me, then they're not lucky. They're stupid. Okay, I'm gonna stay on this side. Nobody is gonna come to me. This is so cool. This is gonna be so cool. This is. Alright, I'm still here. I'm jumping and I'm jumping and I'm jumping and I'm jumping in the pool. I'm going to stay here until the rain stops. And then when the rain stops, I'm going to go to the front door, knock on the front door, and then they'll answer the door, and I'll say I was recording your house or cafe. Oh, there they are. There, look, right over there. Oh my god! I better leave. I better leave. Okay. They didn't catch me. I don't want them to catch me. Oh. I think I just saw a chat bar on there. This is getting so weird. I'm staying in their pool right now. This is gonna be so great. This is incredible. Okay. Stay in their pool. Hold. I can't make this a 24-hour challenge, but I'll make this a 1-hour challenge. Okay, when it hits to 10 o'clock when it hits 10 o'clock right here on this clock right here, then I will go knock on their door. Dude. Okay, 9:28. So, leave in the comments what do you think I should do next. And okay, this is so good. So far, so good. Nobody's noticing me. Oh, they're coming. Ugh. Jump. Okay, they don't notice me. Still don't notice me. Still right there making food. Okay, 92, 93, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59. Alright, it's 10 o'clock in Boxburg right now, so I'm gonna go to their door. I stayed in your pool for 1 hour and you did not know. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Hi. Okay, I stayed in your pool for an hour and you did not notice me. Oh, wait, I spelled it wrong. Pool. I recorded that. I am sending it to YouTube. I'm sending it to YouTube. Okay, guys, there we go. I'm closing out my game right now. Alright, guys, so we just stayed in their plot for 1 hour in Boxburg. Not in the time today, but just 1 hour in the game. So, thanks so much for watching. Leave a comment leave a comment in the bottom and see what I should do next. And then, until next time, and don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any new videos from me. So I'll see you in the next vid. Peace out.